So I'll quickly show you guys how to buy Cursor AI cheaper. If you're a programmer or you just like coding, vibe coding or whatever you call it, you'll probably love this one. First step is to check the description. You'll find the important instructions there. After clicking on the link, you'll land on this page. It's a website that lets you buy premium services, AI tools, streaming services, and all that at discounted prices. On the homepage, navigate the list of available services and locate Cursor AI. If you're having trouble finding it, click on the AI section and look for it there. But you should normally land on the checkout page directly if you click the link down below. So after locating Cursor AI in the list, click on View More Details. Right here, choose the duration, which in this case is already set to 1 month by default. Choose the account type. There's 3 types, so I recommend you choose the cheaper, which costs $16 per month. Then, activate the auto renewal, which will reduce the already discounted further. After that, click on Promo Code and enter the coupon code JAAKF to get an extra 10% off. Make sure you create an account and finalize by clicking on Buy Now. That's it. That's how you buy Cursor AI at a cheap price.